The next trend change signal we're going to take a look at are reversal candles. A reversal candle is another way of the market telling us it's changing trend. It's another way of indicating that the character of the market is changing. So if the market is moving in a certain direction or in a certain trend, we know that at some point the market will change direction or change trend. Nothing moves in a straight line. The market ebbs and flows. It goes in one direction and then the other. Our job as traders is to try and figure out when that trend change is occurring so that we could take advantage of it as traders. A reversal candle is another way that we're able to take a cue from the market that it's changing direction. This green candle is one of those such candles that tells us the market is changing direction. So what exactly makes it a reversal candle? For one thing, it opened near the low, and we know that because the bottom of the body of the candle is near the low of the candle. After that, the market traded higher on volume, and you can see where I put the circle. That's big volume. That's an indicator of a trend change. And then by the close of the candle, and you can see here how this candle closed at the top of the candle, creating what's known as a wide-ranging reversal candle. It's a larger candle on volume, started at the low in this case, finished at the high. That's a reversal candle specifically because it was at the end of a trend, and it signified the end of a trend as a result of the reversal candle. And you can see, following that reversal candle, the market changed trend and traded higher. You could also say that that was a capitulation low, but a definite reversal candle. Started at the low, finished at the high. Buyers flooded in the market at the end of this trend, and that's signifying a change in trend, a change in character of the market. Now, interestingly enough, look what we have. After the close of this reversal candle, we then had a retracement right from the other lesson. As soon as the reversal candle closed, the next candle retraced about halfway down the reversal candle, more often than not, shaking out some of the amateur investors that don't understand these technical aspects to the market. As soon as that second candle came down halfway and retraced the reversal candle, as you can see, the next candle took off to the upside and the rest was history. Reversal candles are a powerful way to spot a trend change in the market. And the best reversal candles come after an extended trend in the same direction as you see here. Of course, they don't have to, but those are the ones that you can spot the easiest, and they stand out the most on the charts. Let's take a look at another reversal candle that looks slightly different but has the same effect. Here we have two reversal candles on the chart. The first one we'll take a look at, this green candle, is a reversal candle. It's reversing the prior trend. The trend was down for a significant period of time, and the green candle reversed the trend. It went from close to the low of the red candle or the end of the trend. That's a bona fide reversal candle. We want to see a reversal candle at least be around the same distance as the last, in this case, red candle or the end of this trend. In order to reverse the trend, we have to see the reversal candle equal the prior candle. Let's take a look at another one. Here are two candles side by side. The red candle or the down candle is first, and then the second candle or the green candle is the reversal candle, reversing the prior trend. Now, sometimes reversal candles will signify a longer term trend, and sometimes reversal candles will only reverse a trend for a couple of candles. And as you can see in this latest example, this reversal candle didn't really reverse the trend from a long-term perspective, but it still is a bona fide reversal candle. Let's take a look at another reversal candle. And this one you can see is changing direction from an up move to a down move. So which one is the reversal candle? This red candle that reversed the prior up move. More often than not, when you see a reversal candle, it's a signal of a prolonged trend change in comparison to what the most recent move was. Doesn't work 100% of the time. Nothing in the market does, but it works the majority of the time. And when When we can put the odds in our favor the majority of the time, that becomes part of the recipe for success for our trading careers. Here's another example using a 60-minute chart, and you can see at the top of the chart, you see the green candle on the left and the red candle on the right. The red candle is the reversal candle. Another thing to note is when you see a reversal candle, it doesn't necessarily mean the market's going to change direction on a dime in the next candle. It does happen a lot, but sometimes it takes a little while. And as you can see by this one, after the reversal candle, the market traded sideways for a little while until having another down move, proving out that the reversal candle was in fact a change in direction for the market, at least for the short term. Reversal candles, along with all the other trend change signals, are important tools in our toolbox that we use for trading each and every day. They help us to identify and narrow down possible entry points where the probabilities are in our favor for a change in direction producing a positive trade.